Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn De Morgan's theorem. Let's start with the theorem. De Morgan's theorem having a two statement. A first statement is like a plus b whole bar is equal to a bar b bar. Let's explain this statement with the figure. In the figure, above part showing that a AND gate having the two input A and B, while the output of this AND gate A dot B is connected with the input of NOT gate. So the output of that NOT gate is A dot B whole bar. Meanwhile, negative OR gate is mentioned here. A two NOT gate having the input one is a and the output of first NOT gate is A bar, while the second NOT gate having the input is B and the output of this NOT gate is B bar. This two output is connected with the OR gate input. Hence, the output of OR gate is A dash plus B dash. Second statement, A dot B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Let's explain this statement with the figure. The first figure indicates a OR gate. OR gate having the two input, one is A and second one is B. The output of this OR gate A plus B is feeding to the input of NOT gate. Hence the output of this NOT gate is A plus B whole bar. In the below figure, it is the negative AND gate and having a two NOT gate, one having the input is A while second one having the input is B. Output of these two individual NOT gate is A bar, B bar is directly connected with the input of AND gate. Hence, the output of this AND gate is A bar dot B bar. Now move on to the proof of this statement. In the previously, we had seen for the character of A and B, but in this case we are going to take a character A, B and C. So we have to prove A plus B plus C whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar dot C bar. For the proving, we have to make a one table. As we know that A having the value is a 4 times 0 and 4 times 1. Same B having the value 2021, 2021 and the C having the alternate value 01, 01, 01, 01. From the equation, we have to summation of these three A, B and C. So now put the summation of ABC is like A plus B plus C. From these three individual, the value of ABC is mentioned in this table as 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we have to get the result A plus B plus C whole bar. So put the value of this A plus B plus C whole bar is like 1 and wherever 1 is converted into 0. So total value of A plus B plus C bar is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now we have to again prove A bar dot B bar dot C bar value. So from the A, B and C, we are getting the value of A bar is of 4 times 1 and 4 times 0. Whatever the value of A is totally inverse into A bar. Same way, the value of B bar, B having the value 0, 0, so B bar having the value 1, 1, B having the value 1, 1, so B bar having the value 0, 0 and so on. And finally, we have to identify the value of C bar, and we having the value of C. From this C we can easily get the value of C bar, and it is 10101010. Now we have to get the value of A bar dot B bar dot C bar. So put the equation A bar dot B bar dot C bar. From these three individual A bar, B bar and C bar, we can easily get the value of A bar dot B bar dot C bar. What are the value of A plus B plus C bar is equal to A bar dot B bar dot C bar value. It is mentioned here. It means what is the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Finally, from the truth table, it is clearly visible that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, the complement of a sum of variable is equal to product of their individual complements. Now move on to the second statement. And second statement is A dot B dot C whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. As we know, we having the value of A, B and C, and it is mentioned in this table. Now first we have to get the value of A dot B dot C. It means finally we are getting the value A dot B dot C is equal to 0,0,0,0,0,0,1, and A dot B dot C is nothing but the value of AND gate. And now we have to convert this A dot B dot C dot value into A dot B dot C dot whole bar, and now it is convert, it would be a value of A dot B dot C dot is equal to 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 0. Now we have to identify the value of individual A bar, B bar and C bar from the value of A, B and C, so that the value of A bar is equal to totally inverse value of A. We can see from this table. Now we have to put the value of B bar, and it is getting from the value of B, and it is mentioned in the table. The B bar value is 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0, and it is totally inverse the value of B. And finally we can put the value of C bar, and the C bar is totally inverse value of the C. Now we have to get the result of A bar plus B bar plus C bar. From these three individual A bar, B bar and C bar, we can easily identify the value of A bar plus B bar plus C bar, and it is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0. So that from this table we can see the value of A, B, C whole bar is equal to value of individual A bar plus B bar plus C bar. It means a left hand side is equal to right hand side, so that from the truth table it is clearly visible that a left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence the complement of a variable product of a variable equal to the sum of their individual complements. This statement is indicated the Morgan's theorem, and hope you understood well. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our channel and share with your friend so that they can get the knowledge. We will meet very soon with a new video lecture. Till that, take care, bye, stay home, stay safe.